Hey everyone, welcome to MarineMax Gulf Shores. My name is Lance Finucci, and today we're going to be talking about the Grady-White Canyon 306. This boat is 30 feet long, powered by two Yamaha 300 engines with the Hellmaster system, which we'll talk more about in a second, and has the patented CV2 hull, which means that you're going to have one of the smoothest and most comfortable rides on the water. Let's climb aboard. I'll show you some of the features. We're going to start up here at the bow of the boat. I wanted to show you some of the versatility that we have here. As you can see, on the port side, the large cooler box is open. There is another one on the starboard side that's identical. However, I put the bow cushion on the front because this entire area can be made into either a casting platform or a giant sun pad. The backrest, one of which is turned to face the front of the boat, is actually perfect for the sun pad option. Or if you want it out of the way, you can easily just move it backwards for fishing. At the helm, you'll find exactly what Grady-White is known for. Simplistic perfection. Everything that you want is directly in front of you. From the Yamaha computer that controls the engines, to all the gauges, the compass, the fusion stereo system, and the stainless steel wheel. Plenty of room on the front to put in two 16-inch monitors if you wanted to. And you'll notice right to the left there's that joystick controller. That's for the Hellmaster system that has set point. What you can do with this boat is take it out anywhere on the water, set it to a location, and the engines will hold your spot for you. Taking a look behind the helm station, you can see the large live well and also the freshwater cleaning station. Also the hard top with the rod holders contained in, and it's already preset for outriggers. At the transom, you'll find another large fish box, freshwater shower, the convertible bench seat in the back, which will lay flat against the transom so that you have lots of fishing area to move around, and the heavy-duty door and ladder that goes out into the back. After the video, take some time and look at all the pictures of this beautiful Grady-White, the 306 Canyon. Come on down to MarineMax, take a look at it in person. My name is Lance Finucci, and have a great day.